Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to bring you guys the best crypto brokers recommended by us, crypto dives, for you to use specifically in Uganda. Now if you're a citizen of Uganda, this is the right video for you to follow or watch the best 3 cryptocurrency exchanges to use if you are a crypto trader. So stay with me till to the end of this video. I'm going to make sure that this video doesn't be long for you to at least get a clear picture about the crypto exchanges we are recommending for you guys to use. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video if you feel that this content is so valuable for you guys, and also joining our free Telegram channel where we get a weekly outlook with the traders in our community. And also don't forget to hit that link and check out our reliable crypto broker, which is BINANCE Limited. Now without wasting time, our first broker on this page will be KuCoin. Now KuCoin is the largest platform or exchanger used all over the world, with so many global investors and retail traders. Sorry. Now why am I saying KuCoin? KuCoin, if you watch about currencies which are listed on KuCoin lists currencies which are obviously which they have already made research on by the KuCoin management. So you find when you're investing in a currency listed on KuCoin, most of the probabilities or the probability which you have is making money in that particular currency, because most of the currencies listed on these exchanges I'm going to mention, they are trusted 100% on their blockchains, on their ecosystem, all these things I'm going to be explaining. Now if you're trading on KuCoin, you'll be available to trade all over 700 cryptocurrencies. Now when you talk about cryptocurrencies, like, you'll be trading altcoins, you'll be trading tokens, you'll be trading NFTs, you'll be trading meme coins, you'll be trading also what we call metaverse coins. So all those types of currencies I've talked about, you'll be able to trade in on KuCoin. Now the trading volume, accumulated trading volume every 24 hours, it's about $1 trillion. So that is a lot of money guys, $1 trillion plus. So this is the amount of money invested in by investors and retail traders on the KuCoin platform. So going ahead with our video, I'm trying to show you the major keys why I spotted out these crypto exchanges to recommend them to you guys. Another thing is KuCoin has over global investors which are over 20 million people. Guys, 20 million is a lot of people. That is a huge number of people who are using this particular exchange I'm trying to market. Now there is also 1 million news feeds posted. So like you know, every cryptocurrency exchange has what we call announcements, where it shares news fundamentally which are expecting to affect the crypto market, or news about the exchanger, or news about any updates which are going to be. It can be a listing, it can be a launching of any coin, it can be a launch pool, it can be any announcement about cryptocurrencies. They keep on posting all these cryptocurrencies. They just talk from there. They also send news feedbacks to their clients through Gmail accounts. So all these are benefits when you're using KuCoin as your exchanger. Another thing is you can be trading with KuCoin not only in Uganda, you can also trade with KuCoin in other top global countries, over 200 countries all over the world. So now this is also a huge number. Now if you can access KuCoin 200 countries and above, that means it will be in a way whereby it is not only Uganda to participate, or not only clients from Uganda to use KuCoin, but you'll find over 200 countries can access the KuCoin exchanger. So now I'm going to head to my second exchanger, but before I head to the second exchanger, there is also 24/7 customer service, whereby every difficulty you find using the exchanger, you'll be available to hit our 24-hour customer service so that they can help you out. Now you can also find KuCoin on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or iOS app or Android app. So if you have an Android phone, you can download KuCoin application from Google Play Store. If you have an iOS device, MacBook, or an iPhone or an iPad, you can download KuCoin from Apple Store. So let me head to another exchanger. Another exchanger is BINANCE. It's what we recommend you as the second exchanger for you to use if you are to trade cryptocurrencies. Now we took time, guys, to spot all these exchanges for you, so take them like a major factor when you are trading cryptocurrencies. We don't want you to trade cryptocurrencies and you say cryptocurrencies they are scam. Why? It costed me money on a certain exchanger. By morning I could not access my portfolio. So now we have made research, brought for you the best 3 cryptocurrency exchanges you can use all over the world, not only Uganda. Now all the links will be down in the description. All the links of these exchanges will be down in the description. After watching this video, hit the links in the description and sign up with this reliable crypto brokers we recommend you to use. Now the second one is Binance. Binance so far now is also amongst the largest crypto exchanges used by people all over the world. Now you can buy and sell all over 600 cryptocurrencies on Binance. Now you can trade plus investing in these cryptocurrencies. You can also buy and sell NFTs on Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange has an NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell your art piece of NFTs. Okay, a trading volume, it's about $76 billion traded in Binance every 24 hours. Like I've told you, you will be trading over 600 cryptocurrencies plus. It also has registered users who trust Binance. They are over 90 million. Now, this number is a little bit more compared to the number of KuCoin. We saw KuCoin has registered users of over 20 million. Now for Binance has registered users of over 90 million. You also have a low transaction fees, which are trading fees of 0.10% whenever you're placing a trade or whenever you are trading these cryptocurrencies. So now hit the link in the description, sign up with Binance, open up your account and start your trading journey. Now for applications, also Binance, you can access it on Apple Store, macOS, Windows. All these softwares are supported by Binance. You can access it on Apple Store if you have an iPhone. You can access it on Play Store if you have an Android phone. So all these services are being provided by Binance Exchange. Now sign up with Binance today and start your trading journey. Now the last one is Huobi. Now Huobi is another cryptocurrency exchange, mainly from China or Asia. Now all these cryptocurrencies I'm trying to show you, their main CEOs, they are from Asia. You know, when you look at cryptocurrencies, Asia is playing a big role in investing in cryptocurrencies. So that's why I think we have a lot of exchanges coming from that side, because they take cryptocurrencies as money. They don't take cryptocurrencies only as assets, but they also take cryptocurrencies as money. Now, when you focus on Huobi, a leading digital asset trading platform, you'll be able to trade over 500 cryptocurrencies on Huobi. Like I've been breaking them down, you'll be able also to. Now they have a daily volume of over. Let me see. This is $1 million. This is 800 million. They have a daily volume of over $2 billion, which is being traded within the Huobi exchange. So that is a lot of money, guys. $2 billion is a lot of money. But we are seeing KuCoin has over $1 trillion. And we saw Bitcoin. I mean, Binance has over $76 billion. This is the amount of money invested in Binance or traded in Binance every 24 hours. I can see management system. Oh boy, now this thing is, now here is why we recommend you to use this particular exchange. Oh boy has over 20 Bitcoins security reserve fund. Now this is the main reason. If you are to use Huobi, go ahead and hit the links in the description and sign up with Huobi Exchange, because they are eager to pay all their clients if there is any problem concerning about their system being hacked or about any clients losing his or her money. They are eager or ready to pay you back all your funds, because they have over 20 Bitcoins in reserve. Now when you try to get 20 Bitcoins and you multiply it by the current market price, that is a lot of money. That is a lot of money. So now Huobi is also trusted by over 10 million users all over the world, and also is currently in over 200 countries all over the world. Yeah, you can access Huobi also in an application, Play Store, Apple Store, and Windows, Mac, all those devices. You can access Huobi. Now that's what we are trying to analyze with you guys. We are exposed for you out the 3 major cryptocurrency exchanges you can use for you to start your trading journey. Don't forget to hit the link in the description. Sign up with these reliable crypto brokers we have recommended you. Now don't forget, and also following us on our social media handles, plus signing up on our free Telegram channel, and also commenting down in the description whether you have liked this video or what you have learned from this video, or what videos would you like us to make in the nearby future, because we are still teaching a lot of content. Peace out.